Hi, my name is Donna Tortorella and I live in North Las Vegas, Nevada. And I discovered Sarah while searching YouTube for DIY gnome making videos. Saw her standing gnome video and her sock gnome videos and fell in immediate love. And then I realized that she had her own Facebook group, so I immediately went to Facebook and joined her Tenderfoot Village's Facebook group, and there's no turning back. Learning from Sarah is so easy. She's very detailed. She gives tips, tricks, tells you where to buy your supplies, gives us the supply list ahead of time so we can follow along with her in her lives. She shares her patterns with us. Tenderfoot Villages, it's just such our own little village, our own little community, and everybody is very helpful. Like I said, learning from Sarah, she's very detailed. She goes step by step, slowly, takes her time so that newbies like me can follow along with her, no problem at all. I've never had a problem following along with her, especially if you have the supply list. You can make your gnome while she's making hers, or you can watch her make hers, and then after the live is done, then you can go and make your gnome, and everybody just like comes up with the most beautiful gnomes. I highly recommend it. If you are looking to make your own gnomes and you want the best teacher, go to Sarah and Tenderfoot Villages. You won't regret it. She's the best. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.